Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hopefully you all will be good. Okay, this video is about the revision pack of lab exam assessment B. We will be looking into this revision pack and we will be making the program on Scratch Junior. So let's start it. What is it saying? It says use Scratch Junior app to create the following program. Create a program for an astronaut to turn and jump. So what is the first step over here? Open a project, add the background moon, add the astronaut. So let us first do these three steps and then we will move forward. So open Scratch Junior, go to this home icon and click upon it. Okay, from here select a new project. Okay, right now we don't want this character over here, so we will click upon this and then we will click for long time, so this cross sign will come. Okay, you will left click upon this character for long time, so this sign will come, so you have to cross it. So it's gone now. So what do we have to add? Add the background moon. So this is the icon for the backgrounds. Click upon this one. Here we have many other backgrounds also, so we will see if we have the moon background. This one is the moon background. This we have selected. The name moon has appeared over here, and now we will click upon this tick. It's here. Now what do we have to do? We have to add the astronaut. Here you go to this plus sign, and now here you will get lots of characters. From these there are animals, there are people. So from this one we have to see where is the astronaut. Some plants are now starting here, but here we have the astronaut. Select the astronaut. The name has appeared over here, and now we will click upon this tick. So the astronaut has come upon the moon. We will drag it to this side. Now let's go to the revision pack. Here we have the algorithm for astronaut. What does it say? The astronaut should follow the following instructions. The first step says start on green flag. Step 2, move left 5 times, then turn right 3 times, then jump 3 times, then turn left 3 times, then move right 5 times, and then stop program. Now step number 5 over here says here is the Scratch Junior code for the above given program. This code, the step number 6 is saying us this code does not give the right result. Match the code with the algorithm, find the errors in code and circle them. So we have to match this whole code step by step with the algorithm given above. So let's start matching it. The first step is saying start on green flag. Let us check, is it saying start on green flag? Yes, it's start on green flag, it's correct. Then move left 5. Check, is it saying move left 5? This is move left, but is it 5? No, it's not 5. So what do we have to do? We have to circle this. Like this. I'm doing it upon the laptop, so I will make a circle like this, but if you will have the lab exam paper, you will do it with the pencil. Okay, so it is there. Then what is the next step? Third step is turn right 3 times. Turn right 3 times. Yes, this is a sign of the turn right, but the number here is not matching with the algorithm. The algorithm is saying turn right 3 times, and here it is saying turn right 2 times, so means it is not correct. This will be an error, so we need to fix it. So we are going to circle it. Alright, then it says jump 3 times. Is it jump? No, this is not the jump block, so we have to circle this whole block like this one. Then see what is the next step. Turn left 3 times, so it is turn left, and the number is also correct. Turn left 3 times, it's correct. Then what is the next step? It says move right 5 times. Move right. Oh, look at this one. Is it move right? No, it is move up 5 times. So this whole block is not correct, so we will circle it like this one. So we have found 1, 2, 3 and 4 errors, and the 7th step is saying stop program, so it is correct. It is like stop program over here. What does it say now? Select the astronaut and add the correct blocks of code in the Scratch Junior. Run the program. So in the answer key also it is the same that I just told you. We have circled the blocks of code that were having some error, and now this is the correct block of code that matches with the algorithm. Okay, let us open the algorithm, and now we will make the code for it. Yes, start on green flag. So we must select over here the astronaut. Astronaut is selected. The picture of astronaut is coming over here, so whatever code we will write here, it will come for the astronaut. So go to first this yellow block. From here select this green flag, bring it down. Then what step it says? Move left 5. Move left 5. Go to arrow button, move left. This is left, so we will select this one, bring it down. We will click upon this button, the small button over here where the number is written, and we have to change the number from 1 to 5. We have changed it to 5 because the algorithm was saying us move left 5. Now it is saying turn right 3. Turn right. This is turn right. Let's take it here and click upon this one and change it to 3. Then jump 3. Jump 3. This is the jump block. Select this one, bring it here. It is mentioned over here 2. We will click upon it and we will make it 3 because the algorithm was saying jump 3 times. The next step is turn left 3. Turn left 3 times or 3 steps. This is turn left, so we will bring it down here, click again upon this one and change it to 3. What is the next step? Move right 5 and then stop program. Move right. This is move right button, move right block, bring it here. Now this is move right 5. No, this is move right 1, so we need to change this one and we will click upon it, and from here you can change it to 5. It's done. Now stop program. For stopping program you will go to this red button, red icon. From here you will get this stop block and fix it over here. Now let us run the program. Run the program means you will click upon this green flag to check whether it is giving the correct output or not. So just click upon it. Alright, this astronaut went 5 steps to the left, then it jumped right side 3 times, 3 steps, then came back and jumped 3 times, then left turn, and then move steps 5. So it has come back to its original place. Let us do it once again. Click upon green flag. Alright, so this is it. Hopefully you all have understood it. So just practice this at home, and best of luck. Thank you so much.